Imagine this. Your team scores in the 99th minute. The stadium goes crazy. Players are celebrating, fans are losing their minds, and then the referee says, "No goal!" Wait, what? Welcome to the most confusing rule in football, offside. But by the end of this video, you'll understand it better than most fans. Let's do this. First, here's the biggest myth. A player is not offside just because they're standing near the goal. That's not how the rule works. To understand offside, you only need to remember one thing. When a pass is played, an attacking player cannot be closer to the opponent's goal than both the ball and the second last defender. Yeah, that sounds complicated. So let's make it simple. Imagine your teammate has the ball. You're running toward the goal. Right before your teammate passes, freeze the action. This moment is everything. Not when you receive the ball. Not when you score. The exact moment the pass is made. Now look at your position. If you're behind the ball, you're safe. If you're level with the second last defender, you're safe. If you're behind that defender, you're safe. But if you're beyond the second last defender and ahead of the ball when the pass is made, you're in an offside position. However, being in an offside position isn't automatically a foul. That's where many people get confused. You only get penalized if you become involved in the play. For example, you receive the pass, you challenge a defender, or you block a defender's view. Now the referee can call offside. But what if you're standing offside and never touch the ball? Then play usually continues. No foul, no whistle, nothing. Here's another thing many new fans don't know. A player can never be offside in their own half. So even if nobody's in front of them, it's not offside. There are also 3 situations where offside doesn't apply: goal kicks, throw-ins, and corner kicks. That's why you'll sometimes see attackers standing deep near the goal during corners. Totally legal. Now let's talk about why this rule exists. Without offside, attackers could just stand next to the goal all game waiting for long passes. Football would basically become a game of cherry-picking. The offside rule forces teams to build attacks properly. It keeps the game fair. And it creates one of football's biggest tactical battles, attackers trying to beat the defensive line and defenders trying to catch attackers offside. So here's the entire rule in one sentence. When a teammate passes the ball, you cannot be beyond both the ball and the second last defender and then become involved in the play. That's offside. Simple. And the next time a goal gets ruled out, you'll know exactly why. This is pitch theory, and now you officially understand offside.